On this video today, I'm going to show you a new traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the offer that you can promote and the traffic source that you can use to promote the offer. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, we are using CPAgrip. If you want, you can create an account with CPA Build, CPA Lead, and many others. Once you create your accounts on CPAgrip, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on it, you are going to select My Offers. Once we select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. But these offers are allowed in the United Kingdom. So if you don't have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, you are not supposed to promote these offers, because if you promote them to any country, it is invalid. So now what you have to do is that you have to search for a country where you have a traffic source. In this case, we are going to be searching for Portugal. Portugal has offers with higher payout. Once you search for Portugal, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in Portugal. You can see many of them. Some of them are having higher payout, and most of them are also having lower payout. You can see this offer right here, you're going to be earning $8.21 per every lead that you get. This one you're going to be earning 61 cents. So there are many of them that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money. So now what you have to do is that you have to consider the requirements. For example, you can see this offer right here, the payout is $8.21. The requirement is that our potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning a Fortnite game so that we can earn this amount. There are others that require a credit card, so you have to avoid those offers. An offer like this, you can see credit card submit, you have to avoid it. Most people are not comfortable giving their details online. So when you are promoting this offer, you are going to find it difficult getting people to enter their credit card information for you to earn $3.42. So you have to look at the offers that have easy requirements. You can see this one, email and zip submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their email or zip code so that you can earn 86 cents. It is as simple as that. You can see many of them. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. It is a Fortnite game, and you can see the requirement is pin submit. So our potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of getting the game, and we are going to earn this amount right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see right here, this is the title of the offer, this is the description of the offer, and you can see the payout right here. You can see the warning right here. This offer is allowed on mobile, all mobile devices in Portugal. So all mobile phones are allowed. You can see this is your affiliate link. So now what we have to do is that you have to begin promoting the offer so that you can get people to click on your link in Portugal so that they can enter their mobile numbers for you to earn $8.21. If you don't understand the information right here, you can highlight and copy everything and then use Google Translate to translate the text to any language that you understand. So for example, let me just come to translate it for you to see. So let me just paste the text right here. Once you paste the text, you can see it has automatically translated to English. So if you don't understand English, you can just click on it and then select the language that you understand so that it can translate it for you. So now once we know what the offer is about, the next step is that we are going to begin promoting it. To promote it, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can begin driving traffic to this link so that you can get people to complete the offer in Portugal for you to earn $8.21. To drive traffic to your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to search for this website, Active Revenue. Just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see the website right here, activerevenue.com. Just click on it so that you can use it to advertise your link. Once you click on the website, you're going to see a page like this. You can see Active Revenue. This platform allows you to advertise your links to audience in any part of the world. You can see they have different ad formats that you can use to promote your link. You can use push notification, you can use floating push, pop ads, and then domain redirect. So if you want any of the ad formats, you can select it and then use it to promote your CPA affiliate link. To promote your affiliate link on this website, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you are going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you are going to select advertiser because you want to advertise your link. You are not a publisher, just select advertiser. Once you select that, you are going to enter your username, enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password, your full name, the country where you are creating the account, Skype ID, your company name, and you can see you have to agree to terms and conditions. You can see you have to also agree to the privacy and data protection policy. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a campaign so that you can advertise your link on this platform. To create a campaign, you are going to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on it, you are going to select create a campaign. Once you click on create a campaign, you are going to select the ad format that you want. You can see they have push, floating push, pop, zero click. In this case, we are going to select push, so just click on it. Once you select the ad format, the next step is that you are going to give a name to your campaign. So you can type any name that you want. In this case, we are promoting a Fortnite game, so you can just type Fortnite game, something like this. Once that is done, you are going to select start immediately. So what that means is that when your ad is approved, it is going to automatically start running. You don't need to log into your account to activate it. It is going to start immediately. So just select this option. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see total budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad? You can see $50 or any amount that you want. Once that is done, you can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend per day? So you can say $10 or more, whatever that you want. Once that is done, you can see default CPC. CPC means cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? You have to enter it right here. So you can just click right here to select the amount that you are willing to pay. $3 is too much, so what we are going to do is that we are going to enter 0.003. I think this is okay. 0.003. This is the amount that we are willing to pay per every click that we get. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see daily budget spend evenly. You can see as soon as possible. You are going to select evenly so that this website will allow your ad to run throughout the day. If you select as soon as possible, they are going to spend all your money at any time. So select evenly so that your ad can run throughout the day. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see geo. You are going to select the country where you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Portugal. So it's type Portugal right here. Portugal, just type Portugal. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Select it. Once you select it, you are going to click right here, selected, and you can see it has been selected. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see operating system. You are going to select the operating system that the offer is allowed on. So you have to go back on CPAgrip so that you can check the requirements. Once you come on CPAgrip, you can see this offer is allowed on mobile, all mobile. You can see it right here. So the operating system, you have to select all because there is no restriction. When you come to the browsers, there is no restriction, so you have to leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device type. You are going to deselect desktop and then leave mobile, tablet, and then you can see game console. So you are going to deselect that. TV, deselect that. Other, deselect that. Unknown, deselect that. The offer is allowed on mobile, so you are going to leave it with this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here career targeting. Connection type, there's no restrictions, so you're going to select any. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see time targeting. If you are targeting a specific time of the day, you can do that. A specific day of the week, you can do that. But in this case, you are not targeting any specific hour or any specific day of the week, so just leave everything. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here next. Click on it. Once you click on next, you can see IP list. If you want to blacklist certain websites, you can do that. If you want to whitelist any website, you can also do that. But in this case, we don't have any website that we want to blacklist, so just leave everything and then click on next. Once you click on next, you can see blacklist by cost. We are not going to do anything about that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to add a creative. That is where we are going to add images of the offer. We are also going to be adding our affiliate link. So just click right here, add new ad. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the title of your offer, the description, the destination URL, call to action, and the images. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPAgrip so that you can copy and fill all these details. So you have to come back on CPAgrip, and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here as your title. Once that is done, you're also going to paste the description right here. So just come back on CPAgrip and then copy this as your description. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see destination URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPAgrip. Once you come back, click right here, copy link. If you don't want this domain, you can just click on it and then select any domain that you want. Once you select domain, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see call to action. You can type something like click here, but the people that we are targeting do not understand English. So you're going to come on Google Translate and then type your text right here. So you can just change it. Just click right here to change it. As you can see, English is here and Portuguese is here. So you are going to type your call to actions. Type something like click here, something like this, click here. And you can see this is the translation. Click right here to copy your call to action. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to upload images of the offer. So you have to go back on CPAgrip. Once you come back on CPAgrip, what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer on the image of the offer and then right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to click right here, upload main image, so that you can upload your image. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image, click on open so that your image can be uploaded. As you can see, this is the image. So just click right here, add images, so that your image can be added. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are also going to upload the same images right here. So just click on upload icon image. Once you click on it, you are going to select the same image, click open so that it will be uploaded. Once you click on it, you can see the image has been uploaded. So just click right here, add images, so that your images can be added right here. Once you add your images, you are going to click right here, create ad. Once you click on that, you can see this is the information. So now the next step is that you are going to click right here, finish, so that your ad can go live on this platform. So just click on it, finish. Once you click on it, you can see this is your ad. You can see it right here. So you have to deposit funds into your account so that your ad can begin running. To add funds, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you are going to select your payment method. You can see they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use. They have PayPal, Web Money, and then you can see Capitalist, and then this one right here, I don't know how to pronounce it. When you scroll down, you can see they have wire transfer, Payoneer, and you can see credit cards. Any of these credit cards that you have, you can also use it to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can begin running for you to get people in Portugal to click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money using this strategy. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.